it's Morgan with WTI.
I am obsessed with these Turkish beach towels from DEMMEX. They are amazing and they are so comfortable. I even use them as blankets in my home. These are a fantastic set of towels to have, not only because they're so versatile, but because they are so comfortable and beautiful. I love the diamond weave pattern as well, with the tassels on the end. This is so incredibly comfortable, and as many times as I've washed it, it just keeps getting more and more comfortable. And they are so beautiful. I even have them on my blanket ladder, and I use them around my house when it's chillier, and then I can use them as towels for when it's summertime. And I really, really love these. I'm so happy that I finally got Turkish towels. They're worth the hype. I absolutely love them so much. I'm going to definitely keep using these for a long time. I've had them for a while now, and I love them more and more all the time. They are awesome, and you definitely can't go wrong with these. I highly recommend them.
I definitely recommend this product, and that's my point of view.